I am traveling this week, so I'm staying at a boutique hotel in New York. And like other hotels, this room has a mini bar that's stocked with products and items. So I thought, why not use AI for object detection? I want to see what's exactly in the mini bar. Hi everyone, this is your AI BFF, and today I'm going to take a look at these AI scanning apps and see how well it works to detect the objects inside the mini bar. So follow along. Okay, here we go. I've got my AI object detection app called Scan My Kitchen. These apps use your camera and in real time they detect objects. Computer vision and neural networks are used for object detection. This minibar has lots of easily recognizable items like chocolate, soda, but this app is taking a very long time to detect these objects. And finally, it fails. It cannot recognize any of these items. The text here says no ingredients detected. Now let's ask Chatgpt.
Gigi, let's check what's in the mini bar today.
What I'll do with Chatgpt is I'll upload the mini bar photo and see if it can recognize these items. Unlike the previous detection app, Chatgpt combines vision models with language. That means not only spotting the object but also some reasoning around it, like is this a snack or a drink? Now it looks like this was able to recognize all of these items very quickly and also classify these under buckets like drinks, snacks and candy and others. The others bucket was interesting. It pointed that there were some small unpackaged items in the back. Pretty impressive. So how does AI object detection actually work? The object detection process begins with the image analysis. The image is first prepared, maybe resized, normalized to make sure that the AI model can read the image. A CNN or a convolutional neural network model examines the image layer by layer, extracting features like edges, textures, shapes, etc. These features helps distinguish objects. Now AI is trained with hundreds of examples, and based on training data, the model classifies the image, saying that this is a cat versus a dog based on the probability score, and that's the label that you see on the screen. Object detection is one of the strongest use cases of AI, but as you saw, the custom AI scanning app failed while Chatgpt worked really well and was able to point out the list of ingredients in the picture. And that is all for today's video. Follow for more.